I'm Gary Hartwell, manager of sharpening and repair for Ryan's Pet Supply. Every year we sharpen thousands of blades and shears and repair hundreds of clippers, dryers, and tables. We are considered by many to be the best in the business. Ryan's is an authorized warranty and repair center for many of the top manufacturers for grooming equipment. I've managed the repair center since 1991 and along with my wife Jan have owned a grooming shop in Northwest Phoenix since 1986. So I understand the important needs of today's grooming professionals. It's my hope that I can share some of my experience with you and help keep your equipment in top condition.
Welcome Ryan shoppers to another Gary's Tips video. Have you often wanted to buy new equipment but you were a little confused on the terminology as far as the airflow goes? Are you confused with what CFMs, FPMs, RPMs, HP? Let me explain. We'll start with CFMs, cubic feet per minute. This box here represents 1 cubic foot. Cubic feet per minute is a measurement of the air volume that comes off this type of dryer. Generally in our catalogs we measure these particular type dryers under cubic feet per minute. Obviously the higher the cubic feet per minute, the more air volume it's putting out. And what this cubic box represents is 1 cubic foot. So the amount of air would fill X number of boxes like this into the air. The cubic feet per minute on such as this dryer here is 134 cubic feet per minute. So that's saying that there's 134 of these cubic boxes filled in 1 minute. Other dryers such as your force dryers such as the Master Blaster, the K92s, the Challenger, the force dryers made by Double K are measured by feet per minute. Feet per minute is a measurement of the power of the air, the speed of the air that comes out through the manufacturer's nozzle. Now it's measured at the end of the nozzle by the manufacturers at the optimum closure. In other words, you can reduce the feet per minute if you use a different nozzle with a larger opening. The larger the opening or the larger the diameter of the hose will reduce the feet per minute. Sometimes we get customers that will call and they say, well, it's too powerful with both motors on, such as a Master Blaster or a K92. How do I get it less air? Well, running one motor isn't enough. Simply you can change the feet per minute, the speed of the air coming out of the nozzle by opening the opening where the air is coming out. Consequently, the larger the opening, the less feet per minute, the less the speed, the less force will be coming out. The next one is RPMs. RPMs is revolutions per minute. Revolutions per minute is how many turns that a motor of this type will do per minute. Motors like this on your stand dryers, as well as like on this type of stand dryer, will list right on the motor the speed that this runs. This particular one runs 3,450 revolutions per minute. So again, revolutions per minute, the higher the revolutions, the faster the motor is, the more output it will do. The less RPMs, of course, is less power. The other one, HP, is horsepower. A lot of manufacturers will put on their dryers that, such as the Master Blaster, that each motor is 4.0 horsepower. That's the power of the motor. Some of the smaller dryers use a 1.7 horsepower motor. Once again, remember to have your dryers serviced before the spring and summer hits us, because it's right around the corner. You want to get it into us. Check your latest catalog for Gary's Tips and coupon special. A service dryer will greatly improve the CFMs, the FPMs, the horsepower, and make your dryer work more efficiently and cost you less money to use. So once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.